Guys, so yayasin na naman si Inday, the traveler is on the go. I'm here already in Vancouver YBR Airport. Nakahinga ng maluwag kasi pinapasok na naman ako sa interrogation room. The good thing is they didn't interrogate me, they just get all the documents with me kasi nga may record na ako eh. Unlike the first time interrogation last year. So this time they bring me to the interrogation room. They check all the records of me because you know they have to check about me on their system. So every time I'm coming to US, I'm gonna be in the interrogation room. It's a good thing it's only like 20 minutes. Last time it's almost 1 hour or more. So yeah, I'm here in the airport now. Going to California. At nakapag-shopping na rin ako sa duty free kasi wala akong nadalang pabango. I supposed to not do the check-in luggage, but because of my creams like the skin sub or balm that I'm carrying is more than 2 or so it's like 10 pieces, so I have to check in. They asked me to throw it and I said no, I'm not gonna throw that, that's very important. So I have to check in my luggage. It's a good thing nakapasok ako, kung hindi yung luggage ko mapupunta ng US at ako'y makakabalik ng Canada. So yeah, so dito na ako ngayon sa my duty free. Ayan, bumili na ako ng aking kutkutin sa eroplano. Boarding time. So ayan na, papunta na sa eroplano. Ayan sila. Bye bye Canada, see you next month. Welcome aboard. Yes, yayasin na. Welcome to San Francisco. After 2 hours and a half, we are near arrival. Yeah. So, on time. There you go. San Francisco.
If you're flying E12, there was a gate change. Miami is departing from gate E12, just here in the corner, and Orlando is departing from gate E13.
Ang ganda ng ano. Parang nasa salon. So I'm gonna get my luggage. I don't have plan to check in, but I have to check in because of I'm carrying many of my eczema balm and pain relief balm. Going to baggage claim. baggage It's gonna be in carousel number 8 from YBR Vancouver here in San Francisco. There you go, carousel number 8. Still waiting for the luggage. It takes time before it come here in the carousel to pick up. Already my luggage, but it's gonna going on the other side, so I'm just gonna wait here. Ayan na, ando na siya. Iikot yan papunta dito. Pumupunta muna siya sa right side, then going to the left.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to San Francisco. If you're arriving on flight 1112 from Lihue, 1401 from Phoenix, your luggage will be delivered to carousel number 9. For passengers on 54, 57 from Salt Lake, that will be carousel number 7.
It's here. Ayan na ang aking luggage. Ayan ang ating luggage. Nilagyan nila ng priority kasi nasa ako, business class ako eh. So nilagyan ng tag yung aking bag na priority kasi naka-business class ako, guys. O diba, free na yan. Free traveling and business class pa. Anong say mo? Ganda talaga ng lola mo. Nakuha ko na yung aking luggage at magsi-selfie muna ako dito sa welcome bago ako mag-taxi or Uber. Ayan, punta muna ako dun sa may pangalan na Welcome San Francisco. Ayun. Ayun. Yan. Ang mga view, ang map dito. Ayan, map ko. Ayan. So, yan ang mga map dito na pwedeng pasyalan. Ayan. At ayan ang pangalan, San Francisco. Diba? Dito pala ako sa San Francisco. Naka-taxi na tayo, guys, papunta sa hotel. Malamig. Pagdating dito sa labas, malamig din pala. Parang Vancouver, malamig paggabi. I just got here. It's closer to the airport, the Sonesta Suites. And I'm in the second floor. And my room. Ayan na. Oh, looks nice though. It's only 3-star. But it's good though. And besides, I'm alone. So this is my bed. Ooh, nice. I like it. I don't know where are the lights. So I have 2 TV. Living room and the bedroom. Nice. This is very nice though. Oh wow. And we have coffee machine here. And uy, mali ang napindot ko. Naghahanap ako ng ilaw. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Ayan. May microwave at my fridge. Ayan. At may pre-breakfast daw. So, ayan. So, maluwag. Pwede dito ang 4 na tao. Ayan, oh, ganda. Ganda. Teka ha, pailawan nga natin. Ayan. O, diba guys? Ganda ng aking hotel room. Maganda to. Kisa sa ano. Kisa sa Marriott. Sa Marriott, maganda ang mga ano. Super. Ayan o. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda o. Diba? Ang galing. Mas malaki yung kanyang washroom kisa sa Marriott. Ganda o. Ayan na. Ang ganda oh. Dalawa pa ang TV. At mura lang ang bayad dito ng ano, nang nagpabook sa akin, guys. Libre ako ng aking butihing pamangkin sa pinsan. Siya ang nagpabook dito kasi $75 lang daw. Ang galing, may ano, ang laki ng fridge, samantalang sa Marriott, 1/3 lang nito. Ang laki ng fridge. Kaso one night lang ako dito. Ayan o, may oven toaster at may, wow. I like here. Ang ganda o. Ayan o, meron ka pang upis. Ng room dito, mas gusto ko dito kaysa sa yung sa Marriott. Sa Marriott, super linis. Ito, old ano na yung carpet niya, pero gusto ko yung ano niya, style. Ang ganda ng aking room, guys. Oh, maganda pala ang Sonesta. This is my first time here in Sonesta. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh, maluwag. May sariling kitchen. Pati ang fridge niya ang laki. Compare sa Marriott. Sa Marriott, ang liit-liit ng fridge. Wala ka halos mailagay. Dito, oh, super laki ng fridge. May microwave, tsaka may oven, may toaster. Ayan, oh. Galing. Tapos, meron ka pang ano, office table, oh, may living room na maliit. Ito ang bedroom niya, oh, ang ganda, oh. Ayan, oh. Tapos, ito ang kanyang washroom, ang luwag, oh. Kita nyo, oh. May ano pa, may sariling closet, oh. At ayun ang ano, ang toilet saka ang tub. Ayan, oh. Ganda, oh. Galing. At saka may ano pa daw dito. They have also a swimming pool here in Sonesta. So but I don't have time to do swimming. So welcome to Sonesta. Diba? Ganda, gusto ko yung structure niya. Good morning everyone. Second day in California, but actually it's my first morning here in ano ba yun? Sonesta Hotel Suite. So, ayan ang view, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Ayan, sa labas, oh. Sa lobby. So, bababa na tayo. Walang elevator. So, walang elevator. Mag-walking tayo. Pababa. So, maliit lang ang lobby niya. Ganyan lang siya. Parang apartment. At we're going for breakfast. Free breakfast. The area for breakfast. You can pick your food here. So it's a small area for the breakfast, but it's good. At least I got free breakfast for $75 one night, diba? Actually, the price here is expensive, but because the person who booked here is a manager here, that's why I got only $75 per night. There you go, my breakfast. So, simple breakfast here in Sonesta. Sweet. It's really good though. It's like apartment. Ang ano niya. My cousin said it's owned by Intercontinental Hotel, and then it's separated now from Intercontinental Hotel because my cousin, she works in a Intercontinental Hotel, and the manager here in Sonesta is my cousin's daughter best friend. That's why I got only $75 one night. It's discounted, huge discount. Semester, guys, you have to throw your own plate because it's all plastic and paper plate. So, which is good idea. They don't have to pay for the dishwasher. So after we eat everything, paper, glass, we have to throw it. So self-service. That's the garbage. Push out. And we're going out here around this area. Oh, this is the swimming pool, guys. I think this is good for for adults and kids. It says 5 feet and 5.15. Okay, so yeah, and then there's another small one over there.
This way, guys.
So yeah, I'm going around on this swimming pool, guys. So maganda siya, para siyang Wyndham Hotel. So mas gusto ko yung ganito kasi may yung kitchen niya. Kung magtatagal ka sa ganito, pwede ka magluto. Ayan, palibot ng swimming pool. Palibot ng swimming pool, guys. So pwede ka dyan mag-swimming. Ayun, hot tub, jacuzzi, guys. Ayun, yung isa katabi ng swimming pool. So, pwede ka mag-jacuzzi kasi ang swimming pool ay malamig. It's cold on the swimming pool and then you can do the hot tub. So, ayan ang mga building paikot dito. So, this Sonesta is style like apartment. It's sweet, so it's nice. I like it. It's 3-star only, but you know what? I don't care na bongga yung hotel mo. Mas gusto ko yung ganito, maganda. Kasi nga mahilig ako magluto. So kung mag-i-stay ako ng matagal, makakapagluto ako sa kitchen. Kasi complete utensil siya sa kitchen, unlike sa Marriott Bonvoy. You're not allowed to cook. You only have free coffee. Here, it's, yeah. Yan, So, yun ang swimming pool niya. Maliit lang din, hindi kalakihan, pero it's good. Maganda to sa yung pang buong pamilya, guys. Yan. So, balik na ako sa sa kwarto ko. As I'm gonna go back to my dito, barbecue area here. Yan, pwede ka dito mag-barbecue. Ay, umulan pala kagabi, kaya pala ang lamig. Maginaw. Ayan, barbecue area kung mahilig ka sa barbecue. Yeah, kung mahilig sa barbecue, may barbecue area, swimming area, so which is good. I like it. The style of Sonesta. I'm going back upstairs because I have to pack my things. And later I'm going to my cousin's 65th birthday and retirement party. So yeah, I have to pack my things. Kasi check out ko na one day lang kasi mag-stay talaga ako sa bahay ng cousin ko. This is the first time I met her in person. Actually, it's our first time meeting later. So we talk on Messenger, online, but we haven't met in person ever since. So this is my first time I'm gonna meet her in person for 65 years in her life. I'm I'm in middle age also, so yeah, that's why I come here from Canada to California, USA, just to see her in person and to celebrate her 65th birthday and retirement. So ito yung coffee area. Ayan, nandyan na lahat. Ayan. So maliit lang. back inside my room and I asked the desk information if I can do a late checked out. And because 11 a.m. is too early and the party is gonna start around 4 p.m. So I asked the guy until 1 p.m. the late checked out, and before I asked how much I have to add, and then he said $35. Then when he checked on the the computer, and he asked me, oh, you are checked in with this person, and I said yeah. So because it's a manager here, so I got free charge for late checked out. See guys, yun ang kagandahan ng may mga kakilala ka. Yeah, actually it's not my contact, it's my cousin contact. So which is good. Kasi sa hotel din kasi siya nagtatrabaho dati. So ayan, ganda sa labas. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang view dito sa sa suite pala, sa suite. Ayan andun, may mga store din pala dito. Makapunta nga muna, makaikot. Ayan, makalabas. Welcome to Sonesta, here in Huntington Avenue, Bruno, San Francisco, California. So, yeah, so this is my first day here because I arrived last night, almost midnight. I arrived 9:45 in the airport, and I just finished my breakfast. So I like it here, and it's very close to the airport. So that's the area. It's a small suites, but it's nice though. I like it. So maglakad-lakad muna tayo guys. Yan. So pwede kayang tumawid. Wala mang sasakyan, tatakbo na lang ako. Ayan, nakatakbo ako guys. Walang sasakyan, so I run. Gusto ko makaikot-ikot dito sa area na to. Ayan, maganda. Ayan ang area all night guys. You heard all the noise of the airplane. So ayun yung room ko. Ayan yung nakaharap dito. Yun Yan yeah, that's my room facing here. So the airport is very close here. It's only like 5 to 10 minutes from the airport. So we are here. Ayan. Mag-iikot-ikot lang ako. So, wala ditong shopping mall. Oh, there's a Century Theaters over there. But it's far. I don't wanna go there. Yan, Century Theaters. So, Lowe's. Andito ang Lowe's. Oh, ang ganda ng bulubundukin doon, guys. So, ang ganda ng view. It's beautiful view. Over there on the mountain. Yan. Wala man akong bibilhin sa Lowe's. I don't need anything from Lowe's. So, yan. So, mag-walking exercise muna tayo guys dito. So, let's do walking exercise here in front of Lowe's. So, may extension akong another 2 hours. So, I have 1 hour walking exercises. Ganda ng mga dito. Nice. See guys? Oh, diba ang ganda? Yan. Makapag-selfie nga dito. Mga bulaklak talaga guys. Yan. Oh, diba ang ganda Nakapag-selfie man lang tayo sa magagandang bulaklak, oh. Ganda. Na ano yung mata ko nasusula sa ano ng sinag ng araw. Pag once you are don't always lacking of sleep, this is what you feel, guys. Ang ganda, oh. In love talaga ako sa mga bulaklak. Yan. Yan, oh. Hiring here in Los, and also hiring. And also, guys, in Sonesta, it's always hiring also room attendant. So if you are here in San Francisco, California, you can go there and apply. And I was joking to my cousin, if I live here, I'm gonna apply there as a room attendant, di ba? Kaso mo, sa Canada naman ako nakatira. I had already experienced room attendant, YBR, Executive Airport Hotel. So that's my experience in Canada. As a, wow, ang gaganda naman ito, oh. Ang ganda ng mga roses. So, di ba? I love it. The beautiful flowers. Ayan. Ang gaganda, oh. Ito, ang ganda, oh. Ganda. So, walking exercise ako after eating. Para naman ma-burn yung calories. Yan. Ang ganda, oh. Daming mga halaman. So, walking exercise tayo. Kasi bagong kain. Ang lamig. It's cold here. Para akong nasa Vancouver, Canada. Yung hangin, malamig. It's cold. It's really cold air. Ayan. Yung next store is Lucky. Lucky store. Ayun, oh. That's a Lucky store. US Bank. Ayan. So, punta tayo doon. I'm going to that area naman. Let's see. Kasi wala na dito, eh. So, ikutin lang natin. Mag-ikot lang tayo dito. At least naka-walking exercise. Dumayo pa talaga ng California, no, para mag-walking exercise. Lamig. Dapat pala nag-ano ako. Nag-hoodie. Grabe. Bale. Inom na lang ako, guys, ng mainit pagdating ko doon sa loob ng room ko. Ayan. Diba? Maglakad-lakad tayo kahit man lang 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Ma-burn ang fats. At least may walking exercise. Ayan, US Bank, oh. Ayan. Ayun, ang ganda. Ay, sementeryo pala yun. Sementeryo yun, guys. Oh, cemetery over there. Nice. Ganda ng view ng mountain. Oh, may Marshall here. Starbucks. Ito. Itong is a Red Lobster. Oh, wow. Restaurant pala to. Ito. Red Lobster. Yan. AT&T. Ayun ang mountains, guys. So, ang ganda, oh. Yan, that's the view of mountains. Ganda, oh. Ayan, iikutin natin yan doon. Bimo. Tapos papunta dito. Ayan, doon, Starbucks. Ayan. Uy, ang galing. Ayun yung view ng... Ayan, oh. South San Francisco. The Industrial City. Wow, kitang-kita. Ang ganda, guys, ng view, oh. Nice. Nandun pala yung pangalan niya sa mountain, oh. Ganda. Kukuha sa sa selfie. Malayo. So kailangan talaga naka-zoom. So yan, dito pala kitang-kita ang view, ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Di ba? Naka-zoom kasi siya, guys, kaya kitang-kita. Ayan, oh. Yung that's the name of South San Francisco, in the industrial city here in California. Wow, so now they put on the mountain the name. Nice. It's really good, beautiful. Ano na natin, i-unzoom na natin. Yan. So yan, I'm just gonna go around like circle in this area, and then I'm gonna go back to the hotel because yeah, I just eat my breakfast and I don't wanna stay just sitting on the hotel. Doon, Red Robin, the restaurant, and here, Red Lobster. Yun na, diba? Century Theater. Kitang-kita pala siya dito ng Century Theater. Ayan. Mag-ikot lang tayo. Kailangan ko mag-delete sa aking guys. I need to delete some videos here on my phone because it's fully loaded na. No more extra gigabytes for the videos. Bimo. Oh, it's like a grocery. Yeah. Cropato. No, it's not. Yeah. It's like a liquor store. Now hiring. So everything here around the corner are hiring. Huh, what's happening? Yeah, because ang daming mga tao na dinideport kasi galing dito eh. Pinapabalik yung mga gawa nga ng dito, yung nakaupong presidente. Ay, pwede. Tawid tayo. Tawid tayo. Tingin-tingin baka may sasakyan. Ayan, oh. Burger King. So may burger nabuyoy na. May Burger King din dito. Ayoko na pumunta dun sa Red Robin. Dito na lang ako kasi babalik ako dun sa dinaanan ko. Ayan, ganda, oh. Yun know, yung area doon. Yan o. Puntahan ko nga. Yan, Marshall Family Care. Check it out natin. Part pa rin siya ng Marshall. Samsung Galaxy. Tindahan pala ito ng mga phone. So, tindahan pala siya guys ng mga phone itong store na to. Ayan. Ayan yung karatula. Big Marshall. Let's check inside. Makapag-window shopping man lang ako dito. Ayan. Check shoes because I didn't bring any sandals with me. So let's see if I can buy one. I'm going to the party but I don't have proper shoes. So I'm gonna check in here. Oh, this is nice though. Ganda. Gusto ko siya. Kaya lang para siyang chinelas. Steve Maiden. Magkano kaya? $39. It's $40. So, ayan. Ganap tayo ng shoes. Yung sandals lang. Bili kaya ako nitong Crocs. O, $16 na. Pabili nga ng isa nito. Para may chinelas ako. Wala akong chinelas eh. My sandals and my chinelas or slippers, and then I got a paper bag for happy birthday greetings, but I did already a greetings I printed out. So yeah, I did shopping guys, window shopping, but I still buy something for myself. So ayan, andito pa rin ako sa Marshall. Line up ang pagbabaya dito. Ayan. Diba? Shopping para sa akin. Ayan, dito pa rin ako sa San Francisco, California. One bag of shopping. I don't have plan to do shopping, but now I ended up spending over $100 here in California. Oh, ayan. Well, I'm gonna use it for party, and the chinelas or slippers, I'm gonna use it while I'm here in States. So, you know, because I didn't bring my slippers. So now, going back to the hotel. I'm done for today's shopping. No more shopping because I don't have work, guys. So, yeah. Oh, Red Robin. Now I'm here in front of Red Robin. Here you go, the Red Robin, guys. Yan. Chuck and cheese. Nice. Yan. Oh, yun lang pala. Kabila lang pala yung Century Theaters. Ayan. Sally Beauty. Oh, if I have known, it's more expensive here having your nail done. I know. Here, the nail done for hands and for fingers and toes. It costs you like $85 to to 100 US dollars. In Canada, it cost me $100, but it's still a little bit cheaper compare here, because you know, one Canadian dollar, or no, like US dollar, $1 compared to Canadian, it's gonna $1.35 in Canadian. So yeah. So now, going back to the hotel, I'm done with walking exercises, ended up shopping exercises. So, I did the walking exercises plus shopping exercises. Oh my God. Yan ang mahirap kasi. Hi! Nakakatuwa yung driver. Alam niya, nagbi-video ako. Siguro nakahalata siya na YouTuber ako, guys. Nag-hi siya, pero hindi naman nakapokus sa kanya yung camera sa akin eh. Nakakatuwa yung ganun. Siguro nag-YouTube din yun. Hindi naman sa kanya nakatapat yung camera eh. Kasi bawal kasi yan dito. Yung kukuhanan mo sila. Kung alam kong YouTuber yun, di sana tinapat ko sa kanya yung ano. Huminto talaga siya sa harap ko, nag-hi. Kakatawa. Friendly. Parang Canadian din ang ugali. Kasi Canadian nga ganyan eh. Usually. Not all. Some. So ayan, pauwi na ako. Yan, nakapag-shopping. Na masarap sa feeling yung nagsa-shopping ka pa minsan-minsan kahit wala kang budget. Charge sa card ni Habi. Charge sa card ni Habi. Hindi naman ako nagbayad ng hotel eh. So okay lang. 'Di ba? Libre yung hotel ko. So okay lang mag-shopping ako. Yung pambayad ng hotel, di pang shopping. Kasi ang standard pala dun diyan sa Sonesta, $188 guys per night. Chinek ko sa online. So, expensive. Dahil manager nga yung nag-book sa akin. Manager ng hotel. So, kaya, nakalibre. Diba? Hindi lang kasi dito. It's in front of the hotel. The Marshall, everything else here. Kala ko nga walang shopping mall eh. Kaya nagulat ako. Napa-shopping tuloy. Wala sa oras. Kasi ang bala ko, manghiram na lang ako ng sandals sa pinsan ko. Ang nangyari, dahil nga nakita ko yung Marshall, hindi na ako manghihiram ng sandals. Kasi hindi ako nakapagdala ng sandals. Kung ano lang yung suot ko, rubber shoes, yun lang. Syempre party yun. Formal attire. Kailangan naka-formal ka naman, di ba? So maganda yung nabili kong sandals. Very simple. And it's a good deal. It's only $34.99 US dollars. So kung sa Canadian yun, mga $50 yun. $49.99. Ganun ang exchange rate, guys. Yung $39 or $35 here. Sa Canadian, mga $50. Okay, ayan na. Dito na uli sa Sonesta. Ayan. 11 a.m. guys, so I have 2 hours to rest and pack my things. Here are what I get from Marshall. See guys, only 2 pairs or footwear and the pair of long shirts, long sleeve shirts and pants. So yeah, parang pantulog. Pero ang ganda niya guys kasi nature ang design. So I love nature design. So one piece is $16.99 and also this one, same thing, $16.99. So this one pair is like $33.98 plus tax guys. So yeah. And the bag, of course, I have to pay for the Marshall's bag.